Welcome to the Department of Agricultural Engineering, Bahauddin Zakariya University, Multan, where innovation meets tradition, and students are empowered to shape the future of Pakistan's agriculture.
डॉक्टर मोहम्मद शुएब मेरा नाम है और मैं चेयरमैन हूँ एग्रीकल्चर इंजीनियरिंग डिपार्टमेंट BZU का। आज मैं आपसे मुखातिब हूँ क्योंकि हमारे फॉल 2025 के एडमिशन स्टार्ट हुए हैं BSc एग्रीकल्चर इंजीनियरिंग प्रोग्राम के। हमारा जो ये प्रोग्राम है ये PEC से लेवल 2 पे एक्रेडिटेड है। वाई एग्रीकल्चर इंजीनियरिंग फ्रॉम BZU? हमारे पास स्टेट ऑफ द आर्ट पर्पस बिल्डिंग है, बड़ी स्टेट ऑफ द आर्ट लेबोरेटरीज हैं।
Here, students gain hands-on experience in high-tech laboratories and modern workshops, from precision agriculture to renewable energy systems. Our curriculum blends theory and practical skills to solve real-world challenges. With internationally qualified PhD faculty, we offer guidance that meets global standards. Our students engage in cutting-edge research, from precision agriculture and climate-smart irrigation to renewable energy and sustainable mechanization. Every lab, every workshop, every field trip is a step towards a sustainable agricultural future. Beyond academics, our vibrant student life builds character. From sports fields to technical competition, our graduates are shaping the agricultural landscape as industry leaders, researchers, policymakers, and innovators. Many have secured fully funded international PhD scholarship. Our mission goes beyond education. Through national and international collaborations and community service, we strive to make a meaningful impact. Are you ready to join a department that blends tradition with technology? Discover your future in agricultural engineering at Bahauddin Zakariya University Multan. Join our bachelor's and master's programs at the Department of Agricultural Engineering, Bahauddin Zakariya University, Multan, and take your career to the next level.